Hey friends, welcome back. It's 2026 and students everywhere are earning online from their phones. You don't need experience, investment, or fancy skills, just the willingness to start and a bit of consistency. Today, I'll break down the exact steps to earn 10,000 rupees per month online as a student starting from zero. No get-rich-quick schemes, just practical, beginner-friendly advice. Grab your phone, maybe a notebook, and let's dive in. Step 1. Pick one simple, high-demand skill. Just one. This is the foundation of your freelancing journey, and it's where most students get stuck. With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or unsure where to start. But the key is to keep it simple and focused. Don't try to master everything at once. Most students try to do everything, but focusing on a single skill is the fastest way to get your first client. When you spread yourself too thin, you end up making slow progress in many areas instead of real progress in one. By choosing just one skill, you'll build confidence, see results faster, and avoid burnout. You don't need to be an expert. In fact, you just need to know a little more than the person who's hiring you. Many businesses are looking for help with simple tasks that don't require years of experience. If you can learn quickly and follow instructions, you're already ahead of the game. Start with skills you can learn in days. Content writing, Canva design, basic video editing, or social media management. These are practical, beginner-friendly skills that you can pick up through free YouTube tutorials or short online courses. You don't need expensive software or fancy equipment, just your laptop and a willingness to learn. These are in huge demand, and businesses need help. Every day, small businesses, startups, and content creators are searching for students who can help them with these tasks. Even if you're just starting out, there's a place for you in the market. Pick the one that interests you most and stick with it for at least a week. Don't worry about making the perfect choice. What matters is that you start. If you enjoy what you're learning, you'll stay motivated and make faster progress. Give yourself permission to focus on just one thing. Your goal isn't to be the best, just to get your first project. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll gain real-world experience and build your portfolio. For example, Canva design, make Instagram posts or YouTube thumbnails. These are quick projects that businesses and creators need every day. You can learn the basics in just a few hours and start offering your services right away. Or try writing blog posts or editing short videos. These skills are always in demand, and you can practice by creating your own content or helping friends and family. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and the more valuable you'll become to potential clients. Write down your chosen skill and commit to it for 7 days. Set a reminder on your phone, make a checklist, and track your progress. By the end of the week, you'll be amazed at how much you've learned and how ready you are to take on your first freelance project. Let's be real, earning money online isn't instant, and it's definitely not as easy as some people make it look. You might see stories of overnight success, but the truth is, those are rare exceptions, not the rule. For most of us, the journey starts with a lot of effort, late nights, and sometimes a bit of frustration. It's important to set realistic expectations from the very beginning, so you don't get discouraged when things move slowly at first. You won't make money on day one, and that's completely normal. In fact, it's common to go days or even weeks without seeing any earnings at all. This doesn't mean you're failing. It just means you're still learning the ropes and building your foundation. Everyone starts somewhere, and the beginning is often the toughest part. Most people quit because they expect quick results and get frustrated when things don't happen right away. It's easy to feel like giving up when you see others succeeding while you're still struggling. But remember, what you see online is often just the highlight reel, not the full story. Instead of quitting, challenge yourself to stick with your chosen skill for at least 2 weeks, even if you don't earn anything right away. Use this time to practice, experiment, and really understand what works and what doesn't. Consistency is key, and progress often happens in small, almost invisible steps. Use these first 2 weeks to learn as much as you can, make mistakes without fear, and slowly build your confidence. Every error is a lesson, and every small win is a step forward. Don't rush the process. Embrace it. Remember, every successful freelancer or online earner started exactly where you are now, feeling uncertain, making mistakes, and wondering if it's all worth it. The only real difference is they didn't stop when things got tough. They kept going, and so can you. Your first payment, no matter how small, is proof that your efforts are paying off. It's a sign that you're on the right track, and it can be the motivation you need to keep pushing forward. Celebrate that moment. It's a big deal. Trust the process. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Success takes time, patience, and persistence. Stay focused, keep learning, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. You don't need expensive software or gadgets to start. Most students use free tools: Google Docs, Notion, Canva, CapCut, and free AI writing tools like ChatGPT. Focus on learning the basics and practicing with simple projects. Clients care about results, not the tools you use. YouTube is your classroom. Search for tutorials and learn for free. Don't spend money before you earn it. Invest your time in learning and practicing. That's what will pay off. Clients care about what you can do, not your degree. Make 3 to 5 sample projects, blog posts, Instagram designs, or short video edits. These can be made up. Just show your skills. Organize your samples in Google Drive, Notion, or even an Instagram page. When you reach out to clients, you'll look professional and ready. Fake projects are fine at the start. Effort and creativity matter most. Don't aim for perfect, just get your samples done. Update your portfolio as you grow. Finding clients is the step where most students and beginners tend to get stuck, often feeling overwhelmed or unsure about where to start. It's completely normal to feel intimidated by the idea of reaching out to strangers or businesses, especially if you've never done it before. But remember, every successful freelancer or creator started exactly where you are right now, wondering how to get that very first client. Don't wait for opportunities to magically appear. Take the initiative and reach out to small businesses in your area, local cafes, or even creators and entrepreneurs you admire on Instagram or other social platforms. The digital world is full of people looking for help, and you might be exactly what they need. When you reach out, keep your messages simple and direct. For example, you could say, "Hi, I made a sample for you. Can I share?" Or, "Hey, I love your work, and I'd love to help you with your content. Would you be open to seeing a quick sample?" Personalize your message so it doesn't feel like spam, and always be respectful of their time. Set a daily goal for yourself. Aim to send 10 to 20 thoughtful messages each day. It might sound like a lot, but consistency is key. Even if you only get one reply out of 20, that single response could open the door to your first real project and start building your confidence. Don't forget about freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. These sites can be great places to find your first clients. But remember, your portfolio is your ticket in. Spend time creating a few strong samples that showcase your skills, and keep updating your portfolio as you grow. Don't be afraid to send that DM or email. You're not begging for work. You're offering real value and solutions to people who might need your help. Approach each message with confidence and a genuine desire to help, and you'll stand out from the crowd. Keep track of everyone you contact. Use a simple spreadsheet or notebook to note who you've messaged and when. Following up politely after a few days shows professionalism and persistence, which clients appreciate. Remember, the more you put yourself out there, the sooner you'll land your first project. Celebrate every small win, even if it's just a positive reply or a new connection. Make outreach a daily habit. Commit to sending 10 DMs or emails every day for a week. By the end of the week, you'll be amazed at how much progress you've made and how much more confident you feel. Got someone interested? Don't overthink pricing. Just start. Charge 300 to 1000 rupees for your first project. If unsure, ask the client for their budget and work from there. Your first payment is about experience, not profit. Use simple payment methods like UPI or Paytm. Don't stress about contracts for your first job. Focus on delivering good work. Ask for feedback after you deliver. Even a thank you is valuable proof. Celebrate your first payment. It's your launch pad. Landed your first client? Now scale up. Ask if they need more help. Repeat clients are gold. Use feedback to improve and slowly raise your prices as you gain experience. Try AI tools and templates to work faster. Once you have a few clients, increase your rates by 20 to 30%. Set new goals, 5 to 10,000 rupees per month. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Every payment proves you're building a real online income. The biggest mistake? Overthinking. Most students plan forever but never start. Action beats perfection. Send your first DM, make your first sample, deliver your first project. Set a 7-day deadline. Pick a skill, make a portfolio, send 10 messages. Don't get stuck in research mode, start messy, and improve as you go. If you feel overwhelmed, re-watch this video and take action. Don't be the student who wishes they started sooner. Be the one who actually did. If you made it this far, you're already ahead. Want a step-by-step guide on landing your first client? Comment start below. Subscribe for more practical advice. No fluff, just real steps. In 2026, students who earn early win early. Don't wait for perfect. Take action today. See you in the next one.